Are you trying to level up your mobile video content creation but something just looks off? Maybe your videos are not looking as cinematic or as professional as you want. Well, chances are you are making one or more of these three common beginner mistakes that are killing your mobile video quality. Now, stick with me and let's fix that together. Mistake number one is shaky footage. Look, holding your phone in your hand when you are recording is not always the best. While it might seem easy to just grab your phone and shoot, shaky clips instantly make your videos look amateur. If you want smooth cinematic shots, you have to use a tripod or a gimbal. If you cannot afford any of these gadgets, create one at home, because using these instruments make a massive difference. In fact, even just placing your phone on a stable surface can help you a long way. Remember, smooth footage equals professional videos. All right, so number two is ignoring lighting. Listen, good lighting equals good video, period. Even if you have a poor camera, with a great lighting you can film great videos. Trust me on that one. I am a testament to that. As a matter of fact, this video I'm shooting right now, I'm using my Android phone and it is a Redmi 12C, and you can see the quality isn't bad. Why? Because I'm using a ring light. If you are shooting in low light support, your footage is going to look grainy and blurry. Listen, if you do not have a box or ring light, use natural lighting. Natural light is your best friend when it comes to videography. So film near a window or even step outside, and if you are indoors, consider using portable light or ring light to brighten up your scene, like I am doing right now. And mistake number three is using auto settings only. My friend, relying on full auto limits your creative control. If your phone allows it, learn how to lock your exposure, your focus, and your white balance. I have made a video on that already. This is the thumbnail on the screen. I'm going to leave the link to that video in the description below. After you're done watching this video, click on it and go watch that video. It will do you a lot of good. These manual tweaks give you that polished pro look that you are looking for. See, your camera is smart, but you are smarter when you take full control of it. Let's recap everything that I just said in this video. 1. Stop using shaky footage. Respect your lighting. Take control of your camera settings. Fix these daily mistakes, and you are already ahead of 90% of mobile video creators out there. If you are serious about leveling up your content, do not skip these three things that I just said in this video. Now, like, comment, and subscribe for more tips that will take your video game to the next level. Catch you in my next video showing on the screen right now. Do not also forget to hit that subscribe button. Again, leave a comment in the comment section below and I'll be there to reply you. Love you. Catch you